start to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cassava start to hail, and if I ever leave, oh, make water carry me, they go far away, far away. So I am looking for a sister, Joma, my lover, oh. She got the dollar, she dey wear designer.
Hey guys, this hair is from Angel Grace Hair on AliExpress, and this is their Brasilia straight hair. It came with DHL. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. And they're very full. The ends very nice and well trimmed. I will be using a closure to do this sew-in with, and it came with a beauty blender, a pamphlet on how to co-wash and maintain the hair. To start, I will be using an elastic band. I will sew in elastic band to the closure. I will use the elastic band to measure her head like this. And I will cut and sew in the elastic band to the closure. I will use a needle and thread to sew in the elastic band to the closure. If I am done, I will secure the thread and cut off the excess thread. I'll place the closure on her head. If you guys are seeing something white on her scalp, it's because of the cream. It's because of what I applied on her scalp. It's no dandruff, it's just the product I applied on her scalp. That is why you guys are seeing white residue. Don't think it's dandruff, it's not dandruff. The product is very good. Magic, it grows hair very fast. If you want me to show you guys the product, comment in the description box below. I will make a video. I will just go ahead and sew the closure around. I have a lot of tutorial videos step by step on how I usually sew around my closure. I will put some videos in the description box below. If I am done sewing the closure around, and I will remove the elastic band and place it at the front like this, and I will just start to sew in the bundles. I will just start to sew in the bundles. I will be doing flip over method. I will just allow you guys to enjoy this video because I'll be showing you guys step by step, and I will talk to you guys later. I am done sewing, I will place the elastic band at the back. Anytime you want to sleep and you don't want to have the elastic band on, it's better to place it at the front like I showed you guys earlier. I have a video of that. I will put it in the description box below. Because of the elastic band, I needed not to sew in the front of the closure. You can see as I place the elastic band at the back, the closure lays very flat and then nice at the front. I will cut off the excess lace and create baby hairs and use Eco Styling gel to lay down the baby hairs. Like, creating baby hairs is optional. You don't need to do it if you don't want. And I will try to create middle parts because she wants middle parts. And I will apply a little bit of foundation on the part. Twist out a little bit of hair, and then this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot of tutorial videos on my YouTube channel showing you guys step by step video for beginners how to do sew-in weave. I will link some videos in the description box below. Don't forget that this hair is from Angel Grace Hair on AliExpress. Details of this hair will be in the description box below, and I used their Brasilia straight hair to do this sew-in weave. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.